We wouldn't be here without your support. We're so grateful for your support. We have Yangmee Lor, and please, Yangmee, would you like to explain?
Yes. So, Congressman Perlmutter, thank you so much for your time today. On behalf of the community, we would love to present you with this story cloth, and I'm going to give you a little bit of information about it, and anybody else who wants to learn more about it. The story cloth refers to Hmong needlecraft on a flat textile surface, and it's a part of a costume, or usually traditional designs that are depicting a scene, event, or narrative from Hmong history or culture. And the themes are life before and after the secret war. So on behalf of the Hmong community today, thank you, Congressman Perlmutter, and here is a beautiful sword cloth for you to take home with you.
I just want to thank you, and I want you all to know that you have many champions, many people who are very supportive in the Congress, whether they're in California, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and then obviously here in Colorado. And so in Congress, you have a lot of admirers and a lot of supporters. And Yang Chi knows that when he calls, I pick up the phone. So you also have a lot of political clout, and never be afraid to use it. Thank you for your service.